How to change your outfit on Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about changing your outfit on Roblox. So first, you need to go ahead and launch any web browser on your computer or laptop. Then go to roblox.com from the search bar in the top. Now once you're in the official website of Roblox, log into your account. And once you're logged in, from the home page, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner, or in the left side you will see the option of avatar in the menu. Now you will see your avatar and all of your clothing and accessories. In order to change your outfit, you need to click on a category like shirts, pants, hair, hats, or anything that is visible over here. So simply go ahead and click on an item to equip or unequip it. Mix and match the items to create your desired look. And to use a saved outfit, you can click on the Outfit Labs on the right or top of your screen. Click on the outfit that you want to wear and it will be applied automatically. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and change your outfit on Roblox. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.